Hi all, I hope all are fine, and today I am so happy to meet you once again, and I have started a new series today, and that is through this videos you can learn English in a smart way. Okay, so I have simultaneously started two things, that is you can learn English through Tamil as well as through English, that is English through Tamil, English through English, and this is English through English. If you want to watch English through Tamil, you can click the I button on the screen. So before going to the topic, please share, subscribe the channel. Coming to the topic that I have selected today is negative words. Then see these two sentences. Before explaining that, just see these two sentences. There is little water in the pot. Few visitors came there. So when I am reading this, you might have guessed the meaning of it, isn't it? There is little water in the pot. Few visitors came there. So what did it actually mean? What does it mean? There is little water in the pot. There is a pot and there is a minimal quantity of water in it. And there is maybe a show or something else. Few visitors came. Maybe a few members, 5 or 6 members came to the show or something. If you mean that, you are wrong. Wrong? Really? Yes, it's wrong. Then what's the actual meaning of it? There is little water in the pot means there is no water in the pot. As well as in the second sentence, few visitors came. That means nobody came. That's the actual meaning. So, is it true? Yeah, it's true. So far you have learned little means what? A few, a small quantity. Similarly, few also suggests what? A little number of things. But it's actually not like that. So it is a negative meaning. So when does it become positive? Just see. There is a little. When I add an article a here. Similarly, when I add an article a here. Now read the sentences. There is a little water in the pot. Similarly, a few visitors came there. So now only when I add an article a, then only the sentence becomes positive. Now only it means there is a little quantity of water available, as well as a few of the visitors came to that place. Okay. So now coming to an example to explain the negative words. I have taken an example. So you know a thing in grammar, that is adverbs of frequency. That is how often a person does a thing. Okay, how often a person does a thing. Suppose I sing always, I sleep always, I visit to the park rarely. So these kind of words, rarely, always, often, you might have known, but you will be confused when to use that. So I have segregated in a percentage wise, that is 100, 75, 50, 25 and 0. So now I am saying it for 100. With an example, okay, the example that I have chosen is I use Facebook always. So when I say it in the 100%, that is I use Facebook always. Okay, always, the extreme. So that comes in the 100%. When it's the opposite, when you never use it, so how can you say I never use Facebook? Okay, so you have seen the extreme and you have seen the two extremes. Now the mid of it, when you sometimes use it, so how can you say that is in the 50%? I sometimes use Facebook. Okay, and when it is more than 50 and less than 100, that is what word can you use? I often use Facebook but not always. Okay, now do you understand the difference? I often use Facebook but not always. So coming back to the lesser level, okay, that is 25%. There you will be adding what? The negative words. That is I rarely use Facebook. So coming to this, I explain it once again. 100 is always, 75 is often, 50 is sometimes, and 25 is rarely. So this 25, this only is I have selected today, that is the negative words, and it means almost not and certainly not. That is 25% or less than 25%. Sometimes it always also denotes a 0, depends upon the content. So these things are known as semi-negatives. Okay. So instead of rarely, you can use 4 more equivalent words. Okay. So often we will be using what? Rarely only. But if you use the other alternatives for rarely, instead of rarely, if you use this 4 words, your English will be enriched. Okay. So what are the other semi-negative words? Let's see. Rarely, seldom, scarcely, barely, hardly. So coming back, I have given some examples also for each. See, rarely, I rarely watch movies. I rarely watch movies. Similarly, seldom, barking dogs seldom bites. This is a famous proverb, you know, isn't it? Barking dogs seldom bite. In this content, what's the meaning? Barking dogs never bite. Okay, so based on the content, it will be 25 or 0. That is less than 25. Scarcely, he could scarcely walk after the accident. Then barely, his salary is barely enough to buy an iPhone. So to buy an iPhone, his salary is barely enough. That's it. Then hardly, she hardly has holidays. That is, she don't have holidays, or she might have holidays very rarely. That's the meaning. So is all these words alterable? That is, instead of hardly, can I use rarely? Or instead of barely, can I use seldom? Yes, you can. Okay. So I will tell you an example. So for the first example, what sentence I have given you? I rarely watch movies. So instead of this rarely, so now I am skipping all the other 4 words. Okay. I seldom watch movies. Correct. I scarcely watch movies. Correct. Then I barely watch movies. Correct. And as well as I hardly watch movies is also correct. But coming to this word hardly, you will be having a little confusion. So for that, I will be giving an example. She works hard. You will be confusing in this area only. See, she works hard as well as she works hardly. Okay. So what's the meaning of it? She works hard means she works in a hard way. Okay, in a hard way. She works very hardly with a lot of difficulties. Whereas in the second sentence, she works hardly. That is, she works hardly means she never works at all. So that's the beauty of English. Okay, she hardly works. That means she never works at all. She works hard means she works very, very hard. Just with the add of ly, the meaning is totally changed. Okay, so hope you guys like this video. So instead of rarely, you can use 4 other alternatives. So this thing might help you to enrich your language. So hope you like this. If you like this, you can share with your friends as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you.